welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm on the beach in Krabi again because I would like to show you another delicious seafood, which is grilled sea bass and green mango salad. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 1.5 cup of julienne green mango, lime, shallots, cashew nut, chili, palm sugar syrup, and fish sauce.
Let's start by peeling and slicing 4 small Thai shallots. As usual, you can adapt the number of chilies to adjust the heat to your liking. I will use 4 today to make it medium spicy.
So for the green mango salad, you won't need much of the lime because of the green mango is already sour in itself. Next, let's start to make the sauce. First, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of the fish sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of the syrup. And we need some lime. Then taste it. Good balance already. Next, chilies, shallots, okay, now we have the sauce and then we just pour it on top of the green mango. Then we chop the cashew nut roughly. Alright, and then just put the cashew nut into the salad. Something like that. Voila, that's how easy it is. So now you know how to make green mango salad. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share some comments, like and share. For today, have a spicy day. Bye!